Adding and subtracting functions. Meron tayo ditong tatlong functions which are f of x is equal to 7x plus 3, g of x is equal to 2x minus 5, and h of x is equal to x squared plus 8. Now, paano ba tayo mag-add or mag-subtract ng functions? Halimbawa, we have f plus g of x. This f plus g of x, that is the same with f of x, okay, this one, f of x, plus g of x. So this one, g of x. Now after that, kunin natin yung f of x and g of x. This will be, since f of x is equal to 7x plus 3, copy lang natin, 7x plus 3. Then copy the addition sign, plus g of x naman, g of x is equal to 2x minus 5. So let's write 2x minus 5. Then after mag-substitute, we may just combine like terms. Pag sinabi nating like terms, parehas constant, o kaya naman ay parehas sila ng variable. So dito, yung 7x, this one, pwede natin siyang i-combine with positive 2x. So 7x plus 2x, that will be equal to 9x. Then for constant, meron tayo ditong positive 3 and negative 5. Add natin sila. Pag nag-add tayo ng different sign, nagsusubtract tayo at kinakopy natin yung sign sa mas malaking absolute value. Since mas malaki itong 5, ibig sabihin, kukopyahin natin yung negative sign. So, minus. Then, since magkaiba sila ng sign, it means magsusubtract ka. 5 minus 3, that will be equal to 2. So, the answer for f plus g of x is equal to 9x minus 2. Try pa tayo ng isa. Paano naman kapag f plus h of x? So, this is the same with f of x plus h of x. Kasi meron tayong f and h. Now, mag-substitute lang tayo. F of x, so that is equal to 7x plus 3. Let's write 7x plus 3. Then, copy the addition sign, plus h of x. H of x is equal to x squared plus 8. So, let's write x squared plus 8. Then, pwede na tayo mag-combine ng like terms. So, 7x plus 3 plus x squared plus 8. Ang like terms lang na nakikita natin dito ay yung dalawang constant. Kasi itong 7x tsaka itong x squared, we cannot combine them dahil magkaiba sila ng exponent, yung variable. Hindi pwedeng i-add kapag magkaiba ng exponent yung dalawang variable. So, kokopyahin na lang natin sila. Magsimula tayo sa mas mataas na exponent, which is x squared. So, let's write x squared. Then, copy positive 7x, positive 7x. And combine the two constant. So, we have positive 3 and positive 8. 8 plus 3 will have positive 11. So, the answer for f plus h of x is equal to x squared plus 7x plus 11. Proceed naman tayo sa subtraction. Paano kapag f minus g of x? This is the same with f of x minus g of x. Substitute lang natin. For f of x, meron tayo ditong 7x plus 3. So, let's write 7x plus 3. Copy the minus sign. Minus. Then, kapag subtraction, since hindi lang isang term yung pinag-uusapan natin dito, yung subtrahend nyo dapat laging naka-enclose sa parentheses. So, yung g of x natin, that is 2x minus 5, ilalagay natin siya sa loob ng parentheses. Ganito ang gagawin natin kapag subtraction. Kasi itong negative sign, i-distribute pa natin yan sa bawat term ng subtrahend. Doon lang sa pangalawang polynomial. Now, first, copy muna natin 7x plus 3. Then, distribute the negative sign. So, negative times 2x, magiging negative 2x. And then, negative times negative 5, dalawang negative, makakancel na yung negative sign, magiging positive 5. Dinistribute lang natin yung negative sign. So, binigay natin siya sa 2x, kaya naging negative. Then, sa 5 naman, dahil pares na silang negative, makakancel out, magiging positive. Now, pwede na tayong mag-combine ng like terms, yung parehas ng variable. We have 7x and negative 2. Subtract, dahil magkaiba sila ng sign. 7x plus negative 2, that will be 5x. Then, yung dalawang constant, we have positive 3 and positive 5. Add lang natin sila. 3 plus 5, that is equal to positive 8. It means f minus g of x is equal to 5x plus 8. Another example for subtraction, h minus g of x. So this is the same with h of x minus g of x. Substitute natin. For h of x, we have x squared plus 8. Let's just copy x squared plus 8. Then copy the minus sign, minus. For g of x, that is 2x minus 5. Since subtraction ito, again, i-enclose natin yung subtrahend, yung pangalawang polynomial, sa parentheses. So, magiging 2x minus 5. Ayan. Then, distribute natin itong negative sign. Una, kopyahin muna natin itong x squared plus 8. X squared plus 8. Then, distribute negative times 2x. That will be negative 2x. And negative times negative 5, that will be positive 5. Now, pwede na tayo mag-combine ng like terms. Ang like terms lang natin dyan ay positive 8 and positive 5. Kasi ito ay x squared, ito ay x, hindi sila like terms, we cannot combine them. Pwede natin kopyahin na lang yan sa ating final answer. So, dun tayo magsimula sa may mas mataas na exponent, x squared, then copy negative 2x, then combine these two terms, 8 plus 5, that's positive 13. So the answer for h minus g of x is x squared minus 2x plus 13.